Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Caroline Woods, here to take you through today's market action. Stocks sold off after stronger than expected economic data added to concerns about sticky inflation. The Nasdaq was the biggest loser, falling 1.8%. The S&P lost more than 1%. The Russell, meanwhile, closed down 0.75%, and the Dow shed 0.4%. Technology was the worst performing sector in the S&P 500, declining close to 2.5%. Consumer discretionary wasn't far behind, shedding 2.2%. Energy and healthcare, meanwhile, were the only sectors to close in positive territory. Turning to some of the biggest movers in today's session, Nvidia touched new highs in the pre-market before selling off at the open and closing down 6% on the day. CEO Jensen Huang confirmed full production of Blackwell Monday night during his keynote at CES 2025, but Wall Street was left wanting more details. Huang did announce other products like RTX gaming graphics cards, autonomous vehicle advancements, and a personal AI supercomputer. Tesla fell 4% after it was downgraded by Bank of America to neutral from buy, although B of A raised their price target to $490 a share from $400, which implies more than 20% upside from Tuesday's closing price. The analyst said there are catalysts that could support the stock, including lower-cost EVs, the launch of the robotaxi, and FSD, but warned execution risk is high. Apple has a new bear. MoffettNathanson downgraded the stock to sell from neutral with a $188 price target. The firm notes a drumbeat of bad news for the bearishness. It also cited lukewarm response to the company's AI features and growing evidence that consumers are unmoved by AI functionality in general. Moffett also warned of its weakened position in China and potential retaliatory tariffs in countries negatively affected by U.S. tariffs. Tomorrow, we'll get the minutes from the Federal Reserve's December meeting. ADP employment and jobless claims will paint a clearer picture of the labor market. Meanwhile, Albertsons, Acuity Brands, and Helen of Troy report earnings before the opening bell. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Caroline Woods. Remember to tune in 24/7 to schwabnetwork.com.